Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas Nunez and I am the Scrum Master for the Summer 2019 EFWE team for the EFRT project, whose product owner and mentor are Dr. Masood Sajadi. And my task was to create an MQL5 expert advisor, which is to manage the instance of MetaTrader 5 based on a series of commands coming from a file generated by a VPS API function. So right now, I currently have a standalone, meaning it's not dependent on the VPS API function because further communication on data transfer is required. So I have a queue of commands and a Boolean variable for auto trading being enabled. That'll be explained soon. So since it's standalone, I created some dummy commands here. Pause, then resume, then pause, then resume again, and then stop. So the on timer, this is where everything happens. Of course, all of this is going to happen until the queue is empty. And I added a sleep function here so that you can see that when I run the code on MT5, you can see each command sequentially in 5 second intervals. So here I have the code for pausing and resuming. All it is key binding. So it presses Control E, which toggles auto trading on MT5. And auto trading enabled, I added here to distinguish between pausing and resuming. And this is mostly important for the stop command because from the requirements, the stop command is supposed to make sure that activity is paused before the terminal is closed. So if it's not paused, then Control E is pressed. And the terminal is closed. So I'm going to compile the code now, which it was already compiled anyway. So auto trading is enabled right now. I'm going to drag and drop ManageTerminal to any chart, doesn't matter. Of course, we allow DLL imports. So in 5 seconds, you should see that auto trading is paused. In 5 seconds, you should see that auto trading is resumed. In 5 seconds, you should see that it's paused again. Then it should be resumed again. And then we should close it. And there we go. That shows that this code, as a standalone, works. Now it's a matter of communicating with Alberto, who's in charge of the VPS API function on data transfer. But the extra code I would need to add is just the web request, which that won't be too much. So if you have any questions, once again, my name is Nicholas Nunez. My email is nnune028@fiu.edu. And the product owner and mentor are Dr. Masood Sajadi, whose email is sadjadi@cs.fiu.edu. Thank you, and have a nice day.